Hello, here is our second lesson for the week. This is going to be the triangle sum theorem. We talked a little bit about this in my last video for the first assignment you did, but this is the worksheet that's going to go along with knowing that the three angle measures of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so for numbers 1 through 4, you are just finding the missing angle measure. So for number 1, if this is 30, this is 95, you're finding this one. Again, knowing that all three angles add up to 180. So you know that 30 plus 95 plus x equals 180. That x is our missing angle right here. 30 and 95 are our like terms. Combine them together, you get 125 plus x equals 180. Solve for x by subtracting 125 to both sides. And x equals 55. Okay, so this missing angle is 55, and you can always check yourself by plugging them back in, adding all three angles up, and making sure they add up to 180. So 55 plus 95 plus 30 should equal 180, and it does. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do for the first 4. This one right here, this is 90 degrees. Remember when you have this little box in the corner, that's a 90-degree angle. So this is 60, this is 90, finding the missing one. Okay, 5 through 8. You're just solving for x, again, knowing that the three angles add up to 180. So for number 5, we know this one's 90. We know this is 26 plus x plus 68 equals 180. Our like terms are 90, 26, and 68. When I add them all up, I get 184 plus x equals 180. Now you might be thinking to yourself, what? That doesn't work. It does. It's fine if you get negative numbers, okay? Subtract 184 to both sides. X is going to be negative 4, right? 180 minus 184 is negative 4. And just plug it back in to check. Negative 4 plus 68 is going to be 64. So add up 64 plus 26 plus 90 and make sure they equal 180. And in this case, they do. So it's fine that you got a negative number for your answer. It doesn't mean your angle measure is negative. You shouldn't have a negative angle. But negative 4 plus 68 is just 64. So my angle, this angle right here is 64 degrees, which is fine. Okay, so don't stress if you get a negative answer. Okay, so that's going to be 5 through 8. 9 through 12, you're doing just like you did before, but when you get x, you're plugging it back in to find the missing angle measure. Okay, so for example, on number 9, 5x plus 5x plus 130 equals 180. So 5x plus 5x plus 130 equals 180. Combine your like terms. Your like terms are going to be 5x and 5x, which are 10x, plus 130 equals 180. Minus 130 to both sides, because we're solving for x. 10x equals 150. Divide both sides by 10. X is going to be 150 divided by 10 would be what? 15. X is going to be 15. Okay? It didn't say to solve for x. You have to find the missing angle. Okay? So it says to find the measure of a, this one right here. So this is going to be 5 times 15. Okay? So plug it back in. 5 times 15 is what? 5, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Okay, so this is going to be 75 degrees. Okay, so that's what you do for these ones. So you do just like we did for 5 through 8, but once you find x, you need to plug it back in to find a. So whatever you get for x, times it by 5. Whatever you get for x here, add 50 to it. Whatever you get for x here, add 41 to it. Okay? All right, so that's going to be your second assignment for the week. Shouldn't be too bad. You know I'm here. If you have any questions, just reach out. But definitely go through this video as you're going through the worksheet because it should help. All right, talk to you guys soon.